Have you ever watched a video and thought, wow, that background looks amazing, how did they do that? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a background to your project in CapCut. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform a simple clip into something much more polished and eye-catching. Whether you're making a social media post, a YouTube intro, or just experimenting with your editing skills, let's get started. And I promise, this is simpler than you might think. First things first. Open up CapCut. If you've just downloaded it or haven't used it in a while, you'll probably land right on the main dashboard. CapCut is a really intuitive video editor, but if the layout looks a little overwhelming at first, don't worry. We're going to walk through everything step by step. Now, you'll want to click on Create New. This is usually near the bottom of the screen, and it's your starting point for any new project. By starting fresh, you have total control over what goes into your video, and you won't accidentally change an older project you've already worked on. With your new project open, go ahead and select Blank Canvas. This is a crucial step. The blank canvas acts like a clean sheet of paper. You're not tied down to any preset videos or templates, so you can insert whatever background your creative mind dreams up. It's especially handy if you want to add your footage or elements later, but for now, we're building from scratch. We've got our blank workspace, so let's spice things up. Find the Elements section, which is usually tucked away in the toolbar, or you might need to tap on something like More to see it. Elements in CapCut are a treasure trove of graphics, stickers, overlays, basically little tools to make your project fun and unique. Think of them like the stickers you'd place on a scrapbook or the decorations you'd add to a party invitation. Now, in the search bar within Elements, type the word background. This helps you zoom right into options made specifically to sit behind your main content, so you're not sifting through endless icons or animations that don't really fit. You'll see a variety of backgrounds pop up: gradients, patterns, maybe some abstract color splashes or themed visuals. Take your time here to scroll through and preview a few. Sometimes, just changing the background can shift the whole mood of your video, like going from bright and energetic to soft and calming. When you spot one you like, just tap to select it. If you're unsure, don't be afraid to experiment. You can always go back and try another background or adjust the placement and size until it feels right. For example, if you're making a cooking video, maybe choose a kitchen-themed background. If you're going for a tech vibe, pick something sleek and minimal. Remember, the background sets the stage for everything else you put in your video, so feel free to play around and see what fits your style. And that's it! You've successfully added a background in CapCut. See? Not too complicated, but it's a small change that can make a huge difference in how your video feels and how it connects with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and lets me know what kind of content you want to see. Drop any questions or ideas in the comments below. I'm here to help if you get stuck or want to learn more tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.